Vonda V. Court is now in session. Judge, this is the case of the Tommy.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Okay, Mr. Tommy, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, for one, we should have been here a long time ago, but someone keeps delaying.
Really?
Anyway,
Really?
yes, really. You want to start this here? Okay, we could have started this a long time ago.
You need to
okay?
stop, okay?
Mr. Tommy and ma'am, really? I mean,
Buckle up, because this courtroom showdown is about to get messy. We have a case filled with delays, accusations, and even a gunshot wound. Meet Mr. Tummy, who's been fighting for months to settle financial matters with his ex. But why has this case been dragging on? And what shocking twists will be revealed today? Trust funds, parenting disputes, and a courtroom moment so wild, it'll have you questioning everything. Stay tuned, because this one is about to get heated.
the last time I checked, I was the judge. I was asking the questions. I should be the only person in here with a neck roll and an attitude.
I'm sorry,
Don't be sorry, just don't do it again. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, do you understand?
Yes.
I understand that tensions are high. Anytime you're talking about children and money, tensions are going to be high. But you all need to try at least to keep it together. Understood?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Now, continue, sir.
Okay, well, she gave me money. I don't know the exact amount, but I know it was once. And
One time?
Yes. It's
For
not
how many kids?
2.
Okay.
And they're in my care right now, and I go full-time to a film school. It's a great film school, but it's very expensive. And I am a trust fund baby.
Oh, and here we go. Mr. Tummy came ready to throw shade, but the judge? Not having it. The neck rolls, the attitude. This courtroom is already sizzling with drama. But let's be real. If anyone's rolling their neck, it's the one wearing a robe.
I realize that.
And there's nothing wrong with that.
Thank you. But it's running out, and I am scared that I can't afford some of the things that they may need, because they're talking about wanting to go into the same thing that I'm doing. And that scares me, for one, because it's very expensive.
Are you paying for school out of that trust too?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Is there anything else you want me to know before I move over to her?
Not that you would like.
Okay, well, please, thank you for saving me from that. This case has been pending for a long time. 6 months is a long time. And he says that you keep on delaying it. So I need to know, what is the reason for the delay?
Your Honor, the delay is because he don't even need to have the kids. The only reason why he got the kids anyway was because of his mama and daddy in that damn trust fund. Okay, and
ma'am.
then on top of that, he put a case
Excuse
on
me.
me.
Are you mad that you don't have a trust fund?
No, I'm not mad that I don't have a trust
Yes.
fund. I
Well,
got my
let's
pension
not-
and my retirement,
Yes.
but the
So
problem
you
is
have a
he's
pension.
spoiled.
Please keep talking.
He's
you have
spoiled.
A pension,
He's spoiled.
and you have
He
a
need to get-
retirement. Okay, but the children live with him, and it sounds like you're big mad because
No,
he
I'm
has
not
this
mad.
trust.
I'm not mad behind that. Okay.
What are you upset about?
I'm
exactly?
upset because he pulled the wool over my eyes, okay?
Okay.
When we first hooked up, all
Okay.
right, I told him what it was that I wanted to be a cop. I always wanted to be a cop, right?
All right.
So he pulls.
Wait. Did he just say he's a trust fund baby? And it's running out? This just took a turn. Here's a guy who's relied on family money, but now that it's dwindling, he's worried about supporting his kids? The irony is thick here.
the trick and then ends up getting me pregnant.
What does pull a trick mean?
He poked holes in the condom.
Oh, okay. Well,
And now I got twins. I had the kids originally, but because him and his family got money and he got that stupid trust, guess what? He went and lied. Now he got custody. So it's been taking so long because we've been back and forth out of custody court. And then not to mention he put a case on me because I shot him in his ass. He's an asshole. That's why I shot him.
No,
Oh my
you
gosh.
shot me in the
Well,
leg,
you
and it
know what?
hurt, and the medical bills
It
are
was
still
your
piling
ass.
up. Thank you very much. Okay.
Stop.
you know what?
Stop.
Both of you, stop.
Okay, pause. Did she just accuse him of poking holes in the condom? This case just went from financial dispute to full-blown scandal. If true, that's some next-level deception. But let's not forget, she also admitted to shooting him. I mean, at this point, we need a whole separate case for this couple's history.
Both of you stop, because this is a lot. I hope you guys do not do this in front of your children. This is absolutely
no.
ridiculous. I understand that you're upset, ma'am, but the first thing you're going to do is learn how to speak without cursing, okay? That's the first thing you're gonna learn how to do. Because trust me, it's a whole lot of stuff that I want to say up here, but I don't say it. So you're gonna learn how to behave.
I
And
don't
stop
question
shooting
criminal
people.
like
Just because you have a gun, that does not give you the right to go around shooting people. Okay? Whether it's in his behind or it was in his leg, you should not be going around shooting people.
His behind.
Okay?
Thank you.
Okay, well, either way, all I need to know about is the money. Now you said you did a whole lot of talking. You talked about you being a cop. You said pension. You said retirement. That is music to my ears dealing with child support, okay? So
Why?
what I need to know, okay, thanks. Hold on. What I need to know, he said you gave him money one time. Is that true?
No,
It's a yes or a no.
No, that's not true.
So how much money have you given him total?
About $3,000.
About $3,000. Whether it happened one time or not, all I need is the amount. How much money do you make a year?
$57,000.
$57,000. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Who covers health insurance for the children?
I do.
Okay, how much is health insurance?
It's $68.
$68. Okay. You're about $5 off. I have 63.
Well, 60.
check. You gotta
Okay,
check
it's
with her.
63.
Okay,
telling you.
63. $63, okay? $5, it doesn't make a big difference. Excuse me. I'm not gonna ask you again to stop talking to each other. I'm not gonna do it. You do not apologize to me again. I just need you to sit over there and be quiet and let me calculate these numbers, okay? And sir, I'm going to need you to just leave her alone, okay? I do not need her to shoot you in this courtroom, okay? So, based on that $57,000 a year, we're going to, your gross is $4,700, $44,700, that's correct. Giving you credit for the $63 that you pay in health insurance, that brings your net to $3,864. And
The judge is done. You can literally see her resisting the urge to throw her gavel. And honestly, who can blame her? These two are treating this courtroom like a reality show reunion special. The only thing missing is a dramatic chair flip.
83 cents, okay? Child support, $966.21.
A month?
Yeah. What do you want it to be? You want me to make it a week? I mean, I wish I had the authority to do that, but
Your
I
Honor,
don't.
I put my life on the line every day,
And you know
I
what?
gotta
And
pay for this bum. Like, my kid's supposed to be with me
And-
anyway.
Are you
Guess
kidding me
what?
right now?
Excuse me, Mr.
He
Tommy.
not
I
gonna
can
use that
handle
for the
this.
kids.
Listen here. I applaud you for going out and putting your life on the line every single day. But just like a lot of people out here, they put their lives on the line too when you are raising children. You have to worry about their safety. You have to worry about their welfare when they're no longer in your possession. So it's a lot of people out here have other people dependent on them, okay?
I understand.
So if you understand, well, let me go ahead and help you understand a little bit further what else you have to do, because I haven't finished yet. $966.21 is your monthly obligation. However, this case has been delayed a lot because of you. So I'm going to make your child support amount retroactive for the past 6 months. So giving you credit for that $3,000 that you testified to, and he said that you've given him some money. You said it was $3,000. I'm going to take your word for it, okay? Giving you credit for that $3,000, your retroactive child support or back pay, whichever one you want to call it, comes down to $2,448 that you owe in back pay, and I'm going to make that payable at $55 a month, all right? So payable at $55 a month, added to your child support obligation, your monthly obligation is $1,021.21. I don't need you looking confused or anything
Thank you.
like that, because you have a pension and you have a retirement. I need you to pinch from it
Jeez.
and keep living. That's
I'm
all I
not
need
even
you to do.
invested. So
Well, you know what?
Invested in your kids?
I'm not, listen, it ain't about
You hear
my
that?
kids
You
now.
know what,
You hear
Mr.
that?
Tommy,
need
do
to
you
stop.
have anything further?
No, you've been more than helpful. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. Ma'am, is there anything else that I could help you with here today?
I just want to make sure my kids get the money. I don't want to.
$966 a month in child support, and now back pay? That's a tough pill to swallow. But let's be real, kids cost money. This judge is making sure those kids are taken care of, whether their parents like it or not. And that pension and retirement excuse? Not flying in this courtroom. Oof. She really tried to slip in one last jab about paying for his education. But the judge shut it down with a too late reality check. Like it or not, the kids are here and financial responsibility isn't optional. And there you have it. A case filled with delays, accusations, and a whole lot of courtroom drama. The judge laid down the law. Child support was calculated. And let's hope these two can keep the drama to a minimum, for the kids' sake. If you found this case as wild as we did, hit that like button, drop a comment with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.